tayo ay babalik sa simula. Ito na ating unang
Hello, hello? Rar! It's intimate. Kaming dalawa lang. Church. Sa church. Sa harap ng altar. After nung mass, dinala niya ako sa aisle na gitna ng altar. Tapos, sabi niya, lagi ko kasi siyang joke na, oh, anniversary natin, kailangan may gift ka sa akin. So, yun. Tapos, nag-spill na siya. Sabi niya, wala akong anything na may bibigay sa'yo this anniversary. But I can only give you my full love. So, yun. Thus, yan. Tinanong niya na, pinapap niya na, will you be my wife? Will you marry me? Yan.
Thank you. Dito iba sa'yo mamaya yung parking nyo, yung room na namin.
True. Oh, Jollibee. Ano sabihin mo
Based from
Jollibee?
experience. Ano na naman si Jollibee?
Ano sabihin mo Jollibee?
Ka na naman. Jollibee, here I am. Charot. Wait ka lang.
Salamat Jollibee.
Parating na. Magiging bida ang saya.
Oh my God! For the game, guys!
For the game.
Paano niyo, Miss Giselle? I know that di magiging complete yung day mo dahil wala si Mama. So I decided na ibigay sa'yo ito para lagi ka lang nakayakap. See you later, Sai. Yan na. Wala pa.
Joelkiel, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
I do, Father.
So one family now being also connected with another family. And love, marriage, and a happy life will eventually happen when you learn how to wait and pray. Marie Chris, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
I do, Father.
Ikaw ang see